Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you about organized and unorganized sector. Classification of economic sector on the basis of formation. I told you when I start the chapter that economic activities are classified into three categories. On the basis of production, there are three type of economic activities: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Now, on the basis of formation, economic activities are classified into two parts: organized sector, unorganized sector. Very simple and interesting point. Organized sector are what? All activities, all units, enterprises which have incorporated with any authority and government, where all rules and regulations are followed. If I tell in simple word, then all the units which are registered with the government and all rules regulation are followed there. Suppose a private institutions, coaching center, shopping mall, any company, these all are registered with the government, where all rules and regulation of government are followed, are comes under category of organized sector. Example: institutions, private company, shopping mall, all are organized sector. Simple word if I tell, then any shop or any unit which have registered with the government comes under the category of organized sector. Now, unorganized sector, opposite. You are need to add only note. The institution and units which are not registered with the government or which are not incorporated with government are comes under the category of unorganized sector. Students, remember, whenever any question is coming in exam, you need to write the example also. So in unorganized sector, which example you will write? Street vendor, open shops, these are not registered with the government and they doesn't follow any rules. They don't follow any rules and regulation. So these are unorganized sector. But have you stressed the word? Have you stressed the word on sector? What are sector? What is the definition of sector? How can we define sector? Sector means what? The area or the part where similar activities are associated. The area or part where similar activities are kept is known as sector. Understand? Means sector definition is coming in the exam, then you need to write that any area or part where similar activities are associated or similar activities are kept is known as sector. So in this lecture, I told you only the general introduction of organized and unorganized sector. But in next lecture, we need to study this in detail, that what are organized sector, what are unorganized, what is the difference between it, and how workers can be protected in unorganized sector. Many more topic of related to this topic is kept, but this is very simple topic, no need to take any kind of worry or tension. Thank you for joining me.